What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Sitting there having me a little snack, a little tuna sandwich, man. I was sitting out here checking out the area downtown. It's a trip out here. It's really a trip just to watch some of the people and the way that they respond and move around. You know what I mean? Everybody different. I just think it's cool. I mean, I'm a people watcher, you know. But needless to say, I wanted to say something to address the issue real quick. My blog is basically for anyone who need information that can help them. Now, some of the stuff that I drop, I'm just messing around, just playing, being funny, showing different parts of my personality. But the main thing is for anybody. I just, I say things, but I speak how I feel from my standpoint. But it's for anybody. But my main purpose is to help my own black people. That's my purpose. You know what I mean? And I want to help my people. Now, I want to help anybody, that comes along. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna deny nobody no water, so to speak. You know what I mean? If you're thirsty, I'm gonna give you something to drink. But um, keep in mind that the information that most people get out of public schools, which a lot of people go to public schools. So for those who went to public schools and only watch TV and only see certain things, if you haven't done no homework, no research, then a lot of times the things that I might talk about, or I might say about culture or the government or Memorial Day or slaves or you really won't get it because all you know is what you was taught. In order to find the truth, you got to do some searching. You got to knock on some doors. You got to actually do your homework. You got to know better. You know what I mean? By obtaining this knowledge. That's how you know better, by getting the knowledge. But if you just sitting around just listening to what other people tell you, then yeah, I mean, you'll take what I'm saying and be like, oh man, you're racist. No, I'm not racist. I ain't even got enough money to control nothing to be racist. Racist people control things. Am I prejudiced? I might be prejudiced. Hell, people be prejudiced against their own. You know what I'm saying? But nah, by no means am I racist. But I do, I do like to help my own because I know my own is lost, and my people been lost since we've been here. You know what I mean? Some of us is waking up now and seeing what life is all about, but a lot of our people are lost, man. So you know, um, if you're white and you're watching my channel and it might rub you wrong with some of the things that I say, you know, it's the truth. And racism is real. What's going on out here is real. And you're only saying that it's not real because it's not affecting you. And that's fine. I get it. You're not being affected by what me and my people are being affected by, so you don't fully understand. But if you could take on this skin for a week and go around some people that you thought was your friends, but now you are now you have put on a costume, so to speak. You'll see how they'll treat your ass, or you'll see what they'll say when you're not in their presence. Now, everybody is not like this. Like I know tons of white people who get mad as hell when you say something racist or something about one of their friends. Like I know ton of good people like that. Then I know ton of bad people. You know what I mean? Ton of people who feel like, you know, everything is on CNN. If it's not on Fox then say it was correct, then it's wrong. You know what I mean? But that's not how it go, man. We living in a day and age where you got to do your homework. And, a lot of people are sensitive. You know what I mean? And it's crazy to me, honestly, that the white people are so sensitive about certain things when y'all are the one so quick to want to say if someone do certain things, hang them, death sentence, this, that, like, damn. But when something happened to you, your feelings hurt. Oh, you need to say you're sorry. Huh? Ain't that some shit? Man, I'm just saying, man, now is not the time to be real sensitive, man, about the truth. The truth is the truth. If you don't like it, then, change the channel. Turn on something else. But in America, man, things things are not fair, and we know that. You know, we would love them to be. You know, we go to war, and we have many different races inside of our service, but a lot of them not respected. You got people that's veterans right now, of all colors, that if they wasn't up in the field, you know, up in ranks, they ain't getting taken care of right now, man. The folks ain't caring for them like they should. I mean, after you do that time, if something didn't work out with you mentally after you didn't came back, man, should at least make sure that you got housing. You know what I mean? Some people just can't take care of themselves, man. I mean, I get it. They get, pumped up with all these different drugs to maintain while they over there, and they get over there, come back, and then, they don't give it to you, or they'll give you some other stuff, you know what I mean? All this suicidal, mental health medication, you know what I mean? So, I don't know, man. It's different, man. I'm just speaking my mind on lunch, but I will say this. I love all God's people. All God's people. But I love my people too. And I want to see my people do better. Hold on.